So in this class, we would be discussing about calculation of contribution in different scenarios. The first question goes like this: calculate contribution in each of the following independent situation. The first situation given is fixed cost rupees 8,000 and profit is 5,600. The variable cost is rupees 7,000 in the second situation and the sales is 11,000. The third situation given is contribution is said to be 7 rupees per unit, profit is 3,000 and the break-even point is 2,000. So with this, we have to calculate the contribution in all the three scenarios. So let us see how do we calculate the contribution in the first scenario. As discussed earlier, we saw that in the marginal equation, what we had derived, any one factor given, any one factor could be found out when the three factors are given. I repeat again, when three factors are given, you will be able to calculate the other factor. So how do we use this marginal cost equation to find out the missing value over here? They have asked us to calculate contribution. So contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. This is what we know. So in the first situation, they have not given us sales, nor they have given us variable cost. So we have to derive at another formula. That means contribution is equal to, or contribution can be rewritten as fixed cost plus profit. So given in this particular situation, fixed cost is given. As they have given us fixed cost and profit, we can use the present formula. So contribution is equal to how much? Fixed cost is given 8,000 plus they have given us the profit of 5,600, and this put together gives me contribution. 8,000 plus 5,600 is rupees 13,600. So you should find out, depending upon the situation, which equation is said to be applicable. So this is the answer for the A situation. Now coming to B situation. They have given us variable cost and they have given us sales. So we can use the first formula, contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. So contribution is equal to sales. Sales is said to be how much? 11,000 minus variable cost given is 7,000 equal to rupees. How much?
18,000.
11,000 minus 7,000 is 4,000. So this is the second situation. So in the second situation, we have calculated contribution as sales minus variable cost because they have given us sales minus variable cost. The first situation, they had given us fixed cost. So the contribution can be rewritten as fixed cost plus profit. So using the second formula, we calculated. Now coming to the third situation, we have B in units. We have contribution per unit and we are given with the profit. So in this situation, our contribution will be calculated using the formula BEP in units into contribution per unit so is equal to, contribution is equal to BEP into contribution per unit plus profit gives you contribution. So BEP in units are given. So BEP is 2,000 units. This is actually given as units. So BEP in units is given in the question 2,000 into contribution per unit is 7 rupees plus the profit is 3,000. So your contribution would be rupees 2,000 plus 7, 2,000 into 7 is 14,000 plus 3,000 gives you
7,000.
So this could be asked for 2 marks. So now coming to the second question. Is the second question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now moving on, is the first question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the second question. So in this question, they have asked you to calculate the contribution as well as they have asked you to calculate the profit. Okay. So first let us calculate the contribution. So contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. So your sales is going to be how much given in the problem. So you can use the first formula only. So sales is equal to, sales is said to be 12,000 as given in the question, minus variable cost given in the question is 7,000. So you get a contribution of 12 minus 7 is rupees 5,000. And they have asked you to calculate the profit. So profit is equal to what? Profit is equal to contribution minus your fixed cost. So contribution minus fixed cost. So we have contribution calculated 5,000. You have a fixed cost already given 4,000. So your profit is 6,000. Sorry, 1,000. Have you understood?